I saw a cactus standing tall in the rain, like it had it all. No umbrella, no complaint, just soaking up what others ain't. Cactus in the rain, dancing slow, doesn't care which way the winds blow. A prickly heart, but it still grows. Cactus in the rain, it just knows. The sky was crying, gray and white, but that cactus held its pride. No need for sunshine, no demand. It thrives